what up, fam? This is Jared Watson with the Retro Insider. Shout out to all the new and returning viewers. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you want the latest news, reviews, and how to cop tips for all your favorite classic retro sneakers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Now, if you want more information about where I got this sneaker and how much I paid, go ahead and check out the Retro Insider podcast show, available everywhere. I'm going to give you more details about this sneaker as well. You can check out the other content we have, keeping you updated on everything retro sneakers. But anyways, thank you so much once again for checking out the content. I'll see you next time. And as always, stay humble and proceed.